Okay. Hi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a small helicopter firework with only fuse, tinfoil, and tape. Like, I've looked on YouTube and I haven't found one single video on how to make a helicopter as simple as this. And so yeah, what you're gonna need to do is cut a rectangle of tinfoil that's about an inch wide and an inch and a half long. It doesn't matter like how long it is that much, but so yeah, just cut a piece of tinfoil about that big. Okay, now what we're gonna do is, well, hold on, trim up any, no. Fold up the tinfoil in, like fold it in half, and it doesn't have to be perfect. And once you have that, fold it in half again, so you have a small little piece. And then once you have that, you're going to need to take your fuse, and it needs to be in a shape like that, or else it won't work. And you just need to kind of set it down. Like, so that the fuse is like that. And then you need to take your tape, just a little piece, and then it doesn't have to be perfectly centered, but tape the fuse onto the tinfoil. And then once you have it like that, you're gonna need to cut down the tinfoil so it's about half an inch on each side. And then you need to, once you have it cut down, you need to, well, if you have your fuse, like, so it's like mine, and it's gonna spin like that, like it's gonna push it like that, then you're gonna need the one, like, this side to be bent up so that it's kind of at an angle like that. And you might not get it your first time, like you might have to play around with it a little, like I had to, and then just bend up the other side the opposite way so you have something like that, and then try to make it so that they're even. And then now comes the fun part, you light it. So I'm gonna try to get it on video, so hold on. Wait, it's not letting me. Yeah. Uh, okay. Okay, this is. I'm gonna have to do this fast since it's almost out of battery. And so yeah, hold on. Okay. No, I'm not sure how well you can see it, but trust me, they work. So I'm gonna try again. The wind's blowing a little, so that's why I might not have like a straight. And they look really cool at night. So. Well, you might have seen it take off, but the wind blew it like sideways and off the screen. So yeah, but if you're on a non-windy day, these work really well. So yeah, post a video response of you doing it, and I have about 8 inches of fuse left, and then I'll be out. And it won't be until May, like end of May, until I get some more. So I won't be able to post a video for those of you who actually watch my videos, since not a lot of people do. So yeah, okay, bye. I gotta comment, rate, subscribe.